Hello again. We are going to do some reflection in the x-axis, and so the x-axis is now a mirror line. Okay. Let's reflect point A, which has coordinates 1, 2 in the x-axis. The reflection happens along a vertical line. Okay. And the image is the same distance away from the x-axis as the object. So A prime would be down here. Okay, located at 1, -2. Let's look at point B. 5, 0, reflected on the x-axis. B prime falls right on top of point B. D prime would be located at 6, +2. Remember, it must be in a vertical line with the object. And the C prime will be located at 4, +2. Okay. C prime. So let's connect these points with line segments. Okay, so that is about correct there. Now let's reflect line segment EF in the x-axis. When we reflect point E in the x-axis, we get E prime falling right on top. E prime falls on top of E. When we reflect F in the x-axis, the same distance away from the x-axis is 3 units away. So F prime would also be 3 units away from the x-axis. To be right here. Prime. Okay, falling on this point. So let's connect these points with a straight line segment. So we have reflected EF in the x-axis to give us this purple image, E prime, F prime. Now let's write down our coordinates of our images. So A prime was found to be located at 1, -2. B prime is found to be located at 5, 0. C prime is found to be at 4, +2. D prime is at 6, +2. E prime located also at -4, 0. Okay. And F prime located at 0, -3. Alright. So let's look for a pattern here. We see that the y coordinate has a change of sign. Look at point A, 1, 2. A prime is 1, -2. Okay, look at point C now. 4, -2 becomes 4, +2. So the first number, which is the x coordinate, remains the same, and the second number, which is the y coordinate, has a change of sign. So if it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. In the case of 0, 0 has no sign. So when it is reflected, the image remains with 0 as the y coordinate. Okay. So if I have a general point xy and I reflect it in the x-axis, I expect the y coordinate to have a change of sign. So I will get x, -y. Let's see how we can use this. What if I give you point G between 3 and 9? And I say reflect that in the x-axis to get G prime. then G prime would have the first number being the same, the second number would become negative, right? Negative 9. What if I give you H now, being 8 and negative 4? Then H prime, after reflecting H in the x-axis, remember the x-coordinate is unchanged, so same positive 8, but that negative 4 has to become positive now, positive 4, right? So this is how we can find out the coordinates of the images of points after they are reflected in the x-axis. Thanks for watching and good luck in your studies.